Stop playing with him, Riot.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sophie and these two are my boss. So anyways, today, as you've seen in the title, we're moving. So yeah, we need to get everything packed and leave here by about 6 o'clock so we can drive 2 hours to the airport. So yeah, are you guys excited? Of course I am. That's great to hear, Amaya. I mean Ava, sorry I keep on getting messed up. How about you, Ava? Amaya? It's okay. So I'm gonna print you out your passport, okay? Amaya, Ava, and this one's mine. Okay, thank you, Ava. Oops. Okay, there. And now we need to get all the bags. So this one is Ava's. That one's mine, of course. Okay, you might want to put your passports in there. Yeah, like that. Now I'm gonna put my passport in my bag. Okay, so this one's your bag, Amaya. Okay, Mum. Okay, just put your passport in there, and I need to get all the suitcases too. Oops. Okay, that one is Ava's. This one's, why is it empty? Anyways, I'll just pack some stuff in there. Okay. There's your suitcase, Amaya. So in this suitcase, you know what? I'm just gonna transfer everything from the black bag into the suitcase. So my shirt, Ava's clothes, and yeah. Oops. There. And let me just put that there. For moving, people are coming back anyway. So let's check the time. Oh my gosh, it's 7 o'clock. We have to go, girls, or else we're gonna be late. Come on, guys, we're gonna be late. Wait, I might want to get some snacks. Mummy, we're gonna miss the plane. Yeah, be quick, Mum. Okay, I'm gonna get some snacks, girls, alright? We'll see you at the airport. So guys, we're finally at the airport and we'll have to check in soon, so I might as well get my passport out of my bag. I got this bag from the gifts. I think it's really cute. Mommy, I'm gonna get my stuff. Oh, that's yours. Okay. I think it's glitching. Ava, I can't glitch in real life. Anyways, I'm gonna just look through my backpack. Ooh, donut. And some popcorn, but I need my passport. Oops, wrong passports. So Ava. It's okay. I'm so excited.
Next person, please. Next person. Hurry up, I don't have all day.
That boy had a bit of an attitude. Yay! Ava, wait a sec. Okay, so we're waiting now for our plane to arrive, and I think it's gonna take a while. What's that, Amaya? That's a vending machine, Eva. Oh, I want something. I want something. I want something. Chocolate. Mom, look, there's chocolate. Chocolate. Ooh. Eva, we shouldn't eat something before the flight. Please. Fine. There you go. Ooh. Okay. There's another one, I guess. Thank you. Do you want anything, Amaya? Oh, sorry. Can I get some cheese puffs? Okay. Wait a sec, I'll get them. Okay, there you go. Thank you. You're welcome. I think I'm also gonna get myself some water. Oops, I think it. Oh. Anyway, it's almost time for our flight.
Plane for 157 to the United Kingdom is boarding now.
So right now we're at the hotel and the girls are in their room chilling, and like I said, these are my grandparents. Honey, who are you talking to? Oh, these are my friends, okay, Grandma? My YouTube family, really. Say hello. Hello, sweeties. And this is my granddad. So, yeah, we're just watching a sea life documentary, and it's afternoon. We are thinking of going out for dinner because of course, there's no stove in the hotel, and we have to wait until our house is ready. So I'm just gonna check what the girls are doing right now. Hey Maya. Hi Mom. Is Eva sleeping? Okay. Can I jump on her bed? You might as well. We're gonna go out soon to explore. Okay. Eva. Hey, that's not really nice. Well, we're gonna be late soon. We're going out for dinner. Ooh, yummy. Are we getting pizza? Wait, no, don't tell me. Noodles? I'm not sure right now. We're going to, I think it's a fancy restaurant, which, my mum and dad reserved. So, Grandma and grandmama and grandpapa have kindly made us a dinner reservation. Okay, so we don't know what it is right now, but all we know is that we're going for dinner. Okay? Okay. Okay, come on. You guys can come to my room for now. Mom, grandpapa. Hello, pumpkin. Aww. Hello, Ava. Papa, when are we going for the dinner reservation? I don't think you should ask him, but you should ask Ava. And we're going at right now it's about 5 o'clock. We're going at about 6:30. Okay, Mama. Also, they gave us chocolates. Yeah, the hotel we're staying at gave us complimentary stuff. So here's the chocolates. And do you guys want one? Chocolate! Give me one. Okay, you can take this one. Does anyone else want them? They look really good, actually. I'll take one. Okay, Amaya. Then does anyone want this? I haven't had sugar for quite a while. Papa, we all know that you had tea about like a minute ago. They're pretty good, to be honest. Okay, guys, I think right now we should all go and relax down in downtown, right? Yes, yay! Grandma, can we go to town? I don't see why not, right, honey? Yeah. Eva, sweetie, do you want to go? Yay! Come on. Eva, wait a sec, we have to get ready before we go out. I feel like we should go out after dinner or before dinner, right guys? Yeah, and I'm gonna finish eating my chocolate for months. You know what, honey? We're gonna go to our room and we're gonna get we're going to just stay there. And you guys can all sleep. Yeah. Bye. We are going to be getting ready to head off to the restaurant. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. I will also post part 2 of when we actually get to see the house. But bye guys. Bye.